video we are going to make project number 14. So this is our project. We will make this component. For creating this component, some views are given here. You can see this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. So with the help of these views we can create this component. So first step, we will get this base plate, then this circular extrude, then this extrude we will do, then this portion. After then I will mirror this. Okay, so according to these steps we will follow and we will create this component. First of all, create base plate. For that we need first this circle, outer circle, both outer circle dia or radius. Okay, you can get from this top view. And then next, between two circle distance 100 mm. So let's create, go for top plane, create bigger circle first. What is the diameter values? 57. Sorry, radius was 57. Just see once, radius is 57, so diameter will be 57 into 2. Okay, another one circle we have to create with some radius, diameter 54 mm. So create anywhere. Okay, just create alignment according to alignment of vertical line. Next, define both center distance values 100 mm, as you know, 100 mm. Okay, now you can see this object is not fixed, fully constant, not defined. So just align this as a vertical. Okay, next, with the help of line we have to connect this. Okay, tangentially we have to connect this. So this line and this outer line we have to create for creating a closed loop. So select a line and create a line carefully that should be tangentially connected. Both sides you have to create a tangent line. Now you can trim your inside curves. Trim carefully, then close it. Now just extrude it. So select your sketch and then see how much you have to extrude. So from front view you can see 25 mm you have to extrude. So define 25, that is already 25. So click OK. Next step. Next we are going to get this portion. So you can see something circular extrude is there. So what is the diameter? Same values. You have to get same values, dia 54. So go for top face and then create a circle with same center and with same dia. Okay, finish your sketch and then just extrude it. How much you have to extrude? Just see here, total value is 38 mm. So 38 minus 25. Okay, so just put here 38 minus 25, then save preview. So you can see this, you can hide this sketch also. Next, another one hole is there actually in this portion. So create a circle with same origin point with dia 23 mm. Create with dia 23 mm, and now you have to subtract it. Just go for extrude, change your direction. Okay, change your vector direction, and then up to next surface you have to cut. So go and select until next and click OK. You can see that hole is created. So let's see next step. Next, what we are going to do. So next I am going to get this one. Okay, this portion. For creating this, first go to top view and you see length of this, and we are going to get a rectangle first. So for getting that rectangle, you can see one value is 54 mm and another one values that is not mentioned here. Actually this is the height values, but width values from this center origin 40 mm, but this value is not given. So I am going to assume something. Okay, So let's say next create a sketch on this top face. So you have to select carefully, okay, because of something orientation problem will be there. So according to your correct orientation you have to get, no issue. So now you can confused, you have to define this sketch orientation view. So just a second, I'm creating a base plane. Okay, I'm creating data sketch on base plane. After then you can project it, or you can directly you can extrude from there. Okay, so I'm creating a rectangle first. So simple, create a rectangle, define some dimension. So this dimension is 54 mm. So first length, just I'm defining 54 mm. Okay, then another length is how much? So see, this value is not given, but 40 mm, and something we have to assume. Okay, so just you assume your values. You can calculate. Suppose you want to apply fillet, full round fillet, then you should apply total values. So just calculate, or according to your drawing you can define any values. So I'm going to define these values: 40 plus 20 plus 27. Okay, so this is our rectangle. Next, just make it symmetry. No, first you define origin, with origin 40 mm distance. Okay, so just a second, this values actually go and define these values 20 mm, because I took 20 mm extra values. Okay, so let's make symmetry. Select both line and select center line. Now it is symmetry. You can see I created this sketch on top plane. So now I want to project here. Go for projection, change it as a wireframe first, then only you can see your bottom sketches. Change as a wireframe, and now click on that, go for connected curve and just click OK. Finish your sketch. If you want to hide bottom sketch you can hide, okay, otherwise later also you can hide. So now you have to extrude it. How much extrude you have to do? See, actually you have to extrude how much? This length actually we need, but directly this length is not given here. So you can see side, right side view, 85 mm from the bottom. Okay, so you can minus, you can subtract 85 minus this values. How much? This values will be 25. Okay, just go for extrude. Okay, so define that values 85 minus, okay, so this is your value, you can see. Okay, you can see here 5 mm between gap is there. Okay, directly that parts is not from the base, so you have to define another second direction values 5 mm. Next I'm going for fillet, because we need here full round fillet. So go and define single face first, then reverse face. Okay, then select your mid face. Now you can see your face is created. Okay, next option, next what we are going to do, create a hole. Next we are going to get a hole. So what is the diameter values? Just see, diameter values is also not given like that. Okay, diameter value is not given, but that is through hole. Okay, for first top body only. Okay, so you can assume your diameter. Okay, so create create a sketch on this top face, create a circle with same origin and define your values 30 mm. So values is not given, so I can take any values, approximately values. Just you have to cut out, select your sketch, first put this start value 0. Okay, then change your direction and define whatever values you need. Okay, or you go until next, then click ok. Okay, so you can see here because a full hole is there. Next we are going to create this portion. Okay, so that is connected with that face, so directly you can start from this face. Just subtract it. Okay, now you can see, just create a sketch on this face. Okay, see what you have to create. You have to get from the base 38 mm values you have to apply, and outer radius is 10 mm. So create a corner rectangle and first define rectangle length values. Width is 20 mm and height is 38. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to uh, define some another values like that position. Okay, that is in center. So you have to define, you have to make this profile as a center. Okay, so just a second, I am going to define some values. Go for line and you will get a midpoint you can say, or center point, because this is aligned with the center, because this gap values we don't know, but something is there, some gap is there, but is this profile center is aligned with base plate center. Okay, so maybe this point will be according to this origin. Okay, so from this origin create a line, simple as a construction line you have to create. I want to see from the right side view. Okay, just convert it as a construction line. Next go for symmetry and just symmetry this, because we need according to that center alignment. Next create a circle, center circle, and just because we don't need to apply any diameter or radius values, because that is already rectangular length values. Okay, another one circle is there with diameter 12. Just define diameter 12 mm. Okay, just finish your sketch. Now just extrude it, select your sketch and then extrude. How much you have to extrude, you can see from the right side view 12 mm. So just apply 12 mm, then click OK. Also you have to unite with this bottom body. Okay, next what you are going to do, next you are going to mirror this. Okay, so go for mirror feature, select your feature first. So this is your feature, and with the reference of this mid plane you can mirror this. Now you can hide your all sketches, go for show or hide and hide all sketches and click OK. Go for isometric view, you can see this is your component, this is your model. I hope you understand this model, how to create. So just you try yourself. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you understand this video, this procedure how I am created.